Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see how to enable or activate YouTube Premium 3-month subscription at just rupees 10 if you're from India and at 0.99 cents if you're from US in iPhone and iPads. It is easier with Android devices, but for iPhone or iPad users are a bit confused how to use this offer after reading about it in Twitter or from any news website. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. You have to visit play.google.com in Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad, whichever the device you want to activate, and then navigate to the profile picture section where you have to sign in with the same Google ID or Google account that you will be using in your YouTube application. Here I have logged in with my Gmail account, which never have activated the premium subscription before. If you have already activated once, then this trial version may not be eligible to you. After navigating to the payments and subscriptions section, you will see the net banking option, credit or debit card, and redeem code option. So we will be generating the gift card in order to successfully activate the YouTube Premium without adding any credit card or debit card and at just rupees 10, which is the value we need for activating this membership. So here in the custom link provided, Android users can suggest or generate this referral link if they already have a YouTube Premium subscription from their YouTube application and settings section. So here you can see after the 10 rupees, the 3 months expired, it will be charged as 129 rupees per month, and the payment methods are only credit card or international debit card that I can add in order to successfully make the 10 rupees payment and proceed with the YouTube Premium subscription. So while visiting play.google.com, I also get an option to redeem code. So that is where I can generate the 10 rupees voucher, the Google Play recharge code, and use it here instead of adding my credit or debit card. If I don't have a card, or if I don't want to add it for any reasons, if I don't want to auto renew it, then I can skip that step and I can use the Paytm application and search for Play Store to generate the Google Play recharge code. So I have entered the value as 10 rupees, which is just the right amount I need for activating the YouTube Premium subscription for 3 months and see whether it'll work for me or not. So after entering the value, I have to proceed with the payment. Here I'm going to use my Paytm balance, and once the process is completed, you can see the recharge status is done, and I'll be receiving an email within a couple of seconds with the Google Play recharge code. All I have to do is simply select and copy that code and come back to the Safari, the Play Store page, play.google.com payments and subscription page. And there I have to paste redeem code and confirm whether the same email ID should be credited with the value that I have entered in the previous field. So once done, it will take a couple of seconds and it will show successful redemption of the 10 rupees that I were trying to add. So it's completed now. I can use any value to purchase from play.google.com, but here on the another tab I have the custom referral link, which the link I have also provided in the description and in the first comment as well for both India and for US region. For other countries, YouTube is kind of slowly rolling out, so you have to check with your friends who are using Android. So here in the payment method, you can clearly see that the 10 rupees balance we have added to our Google Play account is now visible, and the credit card option also visible. So I can simply use the 10 rupees and I can proceed with the activation. It's successfully active, and from the top left corner logo, you can see that the YouTube Premium is right now active for this Gmail ID or Google account. And when you navigate to the purchases and membership page by tapping on the profile picture, you can see the individual membership costs 129 rupees per month, where after 3 months I'll be charged with 129 rupees per month. But of course, as I have used the Google Play recharge code, either I have to add the recharge code once again or I have to add my credit or debit card in order to automatically debit my membership and continue the same YouTube Premium experience. No ads or background music playback, and for some YouTube users in iPhone and iPad, picture-in-picture is also supported. It is not globally rolled out or it is not activated for everyone. And one more important tip that I like to share with you is, if you consider after 3 months, if you like to experience the same YouTube Premium, no ads and background music, and creating your own playlist and continue that experience, then you can create a family membership with either your family members or friends whom you trust. So totally 5 members can combine, and the total payment for the family membership per year will be 2,268 rupees. So you can split that with 5 members, and per year you will be spending 454 rupees per year, and you can experience the same YouTube Premium account, for throughout the year without any issues. If you feel like that 189 rupees is expensive, after the 3 months trial, once it expires, if you don't want to see the ads again, then you can use this method, and I hope this helped you to save somehow to continue enjoying the premium benefits. So I hope this video helped you to activate and enable the YouTube Premium 3-month subscription for 10 rupees or 0.99 cents. I'll leave the referral links and suitable links in the description and in the first comment as well. Do check that out. Thanks for watching, and for more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.